What's up, everyone? I hope you all are doing well. Coming up in a few minutes, in around 20 minutes, Undefeated will be dropping the Navy Jordan 1s. These are pretty limited, it looks like. No foot site drops, only in-store only. And so it just seems like Hibbit, Undefeated, and a few other Shopify sites will be dropping. So I will be using Cyber this time. Let me know how you all do. I'm just going to run a few tasks on Undefeated. Going to see how they do. And I will check back in with you all once that pops up. Right back. Bitch. Come back, 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 come back.
Oh yeah, they starting.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
yup.
Starting.
Yeah, they starting. Guys, this is not good. This is not
TSB
good at all.
submitted. Okay, whoa.
Oh, that's a lot of things going live. Okay, they
Oh,
can
shit.
chill out.
I gotta start Kif too.
What the fuck?
Error.
Mountains. Oh shit. I can't even see this bitch. I'm going slow as shit. Oh shit. I fucked up the caption. I went slow as hell on Kif. My god.
Check that on DTLR.
I even run the fuck.
Bro.
They literally just made me want to.
I took the
Hello.
fattest L, bro. I had a brain fart. Oh my god.
I'm cooking, bro. I'm cooking, bro. Suck my dick.
For what?
You bounce.
I thought you said you had it. Check the site list. In Buckings.
I did, but now you're gonna need a link.
Yes, it should be there. It's not there? I fucking posted it.
Say it.
Yeah. In Buckings. Look for Casablanca.
Oh, okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anticar and Casablanca, submitting shipping.
They were posting checkout reviews. Send it.
I see.
But they're all mixed in there, but they're not. They won't be used twice.
Okay, yeah.
And next.
What's up, everyone? Hope you all have enjoyed the video up to this point. I just want to run through a couple of things with you all just to give you all a bit more insight on some of the pickups that I've done and just some overall things I want to talk about. So one of those being the Mocha restock that happened. I was not able to actually run my I was not able to record it just because I was doing a couple of other things while I was running, but I was able to hit 2 pairs here off of foot action. These 2 size 10.5s, which I actually do have in hand, which I will show you all right now. So I was able to hit these 2 pairs on foot action. I'm actually pretty impressed with how fast they came. I do have an offer already on eBay, so I might let this one go on the top here, probably for $370. And I'm gonna leave the other pair listed just for a little bit longer, just to see what type of offers I get, or if someone just buys it outright. And that's something else I want to talk about when it comes to selling shoes. I would highly suggest you all utilize eBay, especially with the 0 fees and now their authentication service. I did use it on my other pair of Mochas that I got in last week. Yeah, last week. And very smooth process. It's like StockX, but basically you just get your payment instantly and there are no fees, which for me is beautiful. I love it. Just because you can't get scammed anymore, which was my biggest problem with eBay. So next up, we do have 2 of the coins. I know a lot of you all did have questions talking about, Trey, did you get fined? No, I did not get fined. I also am not stupid enough to run a bot on a government website, but I appreciate everyone's concern. I did sell 2 of these already on eBay for $5.75 each, and I do have these 2 and 1 more coming to my friend's house that I will be selling on eBay again, $5.75, $600. plus shipping. These are really moving like hotcakes, and I'm very, very happy I got my hands on a few. And these are the 80, I think these cost $85, and they were like that first batch that happened the other week, not the metal. Now, there is one other thing that I want to go over involving Prism. I'm not sure if you all saw, but I did run Hibbit, I think it was on this monitor, for the Midnight Navies, and Prism didn't log any success. But later that day, I think it's that company Route that does their insurance for the packages. I got 2 emails from them basically saying that your package is now secure with Route. So I was like, what? Like, because I didn't get an email confirmation. And then later that day, I got a shipping confirmation, and I didn't know what size it was. And then when I arrived to my dad's house, I got the order delivery, and I saw that I got a size 14, which I mean, look, I can't complain. It's a good shoe. Almost kind of reminds me of like a Derek Jeter for some reason. I don't know, like a Yankees colorway. So this is a size 14 Midnight Navy, which is very, very big. And now the last cop that I did make was one of these PS5s. I got a bunch of them in. I think I got around 3 or 4 in from Walmart, and then I got 1 from Sam's Club, which I will show you all right now. Now, people had a ton of problems on Sam's Club getting these, but I was able to actually get a console, which I was very happy of, because people were saying that Sam's Club had really low stock, and when I placed the order, I really did not think that it would actually ship. So I'm very, very happy about that. Let me know how you all did on all of these releases. Now, regarding TSB, Nike botting is something that I haven't done in probably really like 2-3 years, so I'm getting back into it. So what I found is Resi proxies really aren't the move just because of speed. ISPs are way, way better, so I will be dabbling into that. And in addition to that, actually speaking about ISPs, I do now own a proxy company, just me, no one else. I will leave a link to it in the description below. It is called Aqua Proxies. We have had really good success on PS5s, some Foot Locker stuff, especially Walmart. We've absolutely done great. I think one of our users even got a 100 clip, which I'm very, very happy of. So I will leave a invite to that. Also, be sure to join Bot Kings, which is my cook group. That is where you all can chat with me. Actually, even be in the videos, because a bunch of you all ask how you all can be in these videos, and that is how. I will also leave a invite to my free, for right now, bot flipping group on it plays. Really good bot plays. I usually make more money off of bot flipping than I do shooters a lot of the time, which I'm very, very happy of, and happy that I'm able to say that truthfully. If you all need to get in contact with me, feel free to contact me on Instagram, Discord, or Twitter. They are all Trey's on it. My Discord is Trey's on it, #0001. Other than that, I hope you all did really enjoy the video, and I will see you all in the next one.